I request Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe sir, Principal, Dharampet MP Memorial Science College, Nagpur, to deliver his principal's address.
Honorable President of Dharampet Education Society, Advocate Ullas Ji Aurangabadkar sir, coordinator of this very special program for students, Dr. Humne, respected professors, those who have connected themselves with this project from other institutions, highly esteemed invitees and erudite scholars and dear students. It's a great pleasure for me to see that this webinar has finally come to an offing. Today, what really matters is the holistic development, and it's not enough, to get into a career. It's more important that you stay in the career and excel, and hence refining yourself, improving yourself, and improving your all-round personality, grooming it the right way is the most important thing today. When Dr. Humne shared this idea with me, I liked it instantly, and my special thanks to the experts who involved themselves in this project and who also appreciated this very idea equally well. In fact, the scholars and the experts, those who have joined with us, have brought the real grace, real quality and excellence to this program, and we are happy that we are associated with them and would be associated with them forever. Dear students, you're going to get a rich feast of wonderful lectures from all these experts, and I'm very sure that they actually can transform your lives, which I believe is the most important thing. Making our life, taking our life to a higher level, and I'm very sure that by refining yourself, you will succeed. And once inspired, what is really important, I'm very sure that these wonderful scholars will inspire you. But then the inspiration shouldn't go away. You should maintain that fire inside you and keep working hard at it. And I really hope that this webinar, this truly, this webinar truly becomes an academic platform, and not just an one-time event or an academic platform for one time, but it also becomes a long-term mentoring platform for students like you, for students like life sciences, to students of life sciences. Children, be extremely cautious about the changes that are happening around you. And the thing is, you need to be really constantly vigilant, and you must become an aware student. Becoming aware is important, becoming vigilant is important, and becoming and constantly relevant to the life around us is also, or constantly relevant for the world is also important. And for that, you will have to constantly improve your skills, and particularly this is the best time. Yes, it is the most difficult time, but then you are home and you can use this time the best way. I'm very happy that you joined this webinar. I congratulate you for your decision, and I wish you all the best in your life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I request Advocate Ullas Aurangabadkar sir, President, Dharampet Education Society, Nagpur, to deliver his presidential address. Thank you, sir.
Hello, I am Advocate Ullas. I am Chairman Dharampet Education Society, and I am happy to note that one of my brother, Dr. Humne, has arranged this webinar on life sciences, its career, counseling, and all aspects related to life sciences. Friends, in these days, webinar has become the need of the hour. As you all know, attending seminars in near future will be history. As all of you are now techno savvy, and because of the changed circumstances all over the world, because of the COVID-19, we are required to, and we will be required to undertake such webinars sitting at our home, but preparing ourselves for the globe. Friends, for every science there are avenues open. Avenues are there after you complete the studies or even while you continue the studies. Friends, in this webinar, as I am told, lot of things will be discussed. What are the prospects for a graduate or for a person, for a student who completes these studies in life sciences vis-a-vis UPSC, MPSC, or even the avenues open at international level or national level. Friends, this is not the end of the road. The topics which are being discussed, according to me, can be termed as a tip of the iceberg. Several things can be available and they may be discussed, may not be discussed. But the very purpose of this webinar, according to me, is to start your thinking process running as to what are the avenues open, what you can do in the life sciences. Friends, no doubt a lot has been done by my brother Dr. Humne to bring to your notice the avenues in the national or in the global situation or scenario, as you may say. You can tap the opportunities at local level, at Nagpur, at Vidarbha. Our own Central Minister, Cabinet Minister, respected Nitinji, has been repeatedly saying after the COVID-19 situation has worsened that this is an opportunity. So, to take the opportunity, to ride the opportunity, I think a lot needs to be discussed in your webinar, wherein you can discuss as to how you can start your own entrepreneurship, you can start your own small scale industries by utilizing the knowledge that you gain in the life sciences. I am happy to note that more than 2000 participants have already registered to listen to the well-known faculties who will be delivering their lectures, their thoughts to you on the various aspects of the webinar, various aspects of the subject. I congratulate Dr. Humne, and who is duly supported by Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, the principal of Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College. I congratulate both of them, their entire team, and I congratulate all the participants and the faculties who are there to enlighten you with their experience and knowledge. Thank you, friends.
I am very much thankful to Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe sir for his instant support and encouragement for the organization of this workshop. Thank you, sir. I also extend my deep sense of gratitude to Advocate Ullas Aurangabadkar sir for his valuable guidance, support, and wishes for the organization of this workshop. Thank you, sir. I am also equally thankful to Advocate Sanjeev Deshpande sir, Vice President, Dharampet Education Society, and Shri Ratnakar Kekatpure sir, Secretary, Dharampet Education Society, and all members of Dharampet Education Society, Nagpur. Thank you very much you all for your guidance and support in organization of every program in the institute. Thank you.